Holly McKhann here with Jessica Ryder Flax of The Village, and I'm so excited for her to tell you about what The Village is and how it serves seniors as well as provides volunteer opportunities. So welcome, Jessica.
Thank you. Thanks for having me.
Yeah, so tell us all about what The Village is.
So The Village is a local nonprofit organization. We provide non-medical services to the seniors in San Clemente, Dana Point, and San Juan Capistrano. So non-medical services, practical quality of life services. So think about transportation. That's our biggest one. So we're giving rides to the doctor, we're going to the pharmacy, running errands. Along with that, we do handyman services. We walk dogs. We, take cans to the curb on garbage day.
So nice. Wow.
So a lot of practical things that, a lot of us take for granted, but become a little bit more difficult as we age.
That is amazing. So tell us about your staff. Do you have employees, volunteers, a mix, or how does that work?
So currently I'm the one and only staff, and I rely on a volunteer team we have about roughly 75.
Amazing.
Amazing.
So great.
Yes. And so we're very volunteer driven. They do all the heavy lifting. So our volunteers are the ones who are driving, they're walking the dogs, they're the handymen, you name it, they do everything. So it's a really great team. A lot of our volunteers are retired themselves, so they have a lot of time on their hands and they just, want to give back. So it works really well. Yeah.
Okay. And then with the volunteer, how does it work? Are they committed for certain hours or a certain amount of time, or can they pick and choose what they do?
Yeah, that's kind of the beauty of the way we have it set up is you can volunteer as much or as little as you would like, which is nice. So, we send out what we call service requests, requests for rides or dog walking. And it's up to the volunteer. If they're available to do it, great. And if they're not, that's okay too. So you can really set your own schedule, volunteer schedule, which is nice.
That is really nice, because I'm sure a lot of retired people have they have grandkids they want to go see in this or that, or so it's hard for them to commit to the same schedule every week, but this allows them to still give back.
Flexibility,
That's
absolutely.
Amazing. So what are the requirements for someone to receive services as a senior?
Good question. So all we require is that they are 55 or older, live in San Clemente, Dana Point, or San Juan Capistrano. So we're a very, South OC organization. And, we just require that they're able to call and request their services, communicate what their needs are clearly with us. As long as they can do that, and majority can, then they can become a member of the village.
Okay.
Yeah.
And then what is the cost for them to become a member?
So for those that can afford it, it's $360 per year. Okay. So less than $1 a day. However, we have several folks that, it may not fit into their budget, and we understand that. So we do offer full scholarships as well. So we never turn anyone away because of budget.
That is really wonderful.
Yeah.
Do you have any little stories or anything that you'd like to share about people that you've helped?
Oh my goodness, there's so many. We have a very diverse membership. So, folks from different countries, all over the world. So they bring, stories, life stories and different experiences. And we have several centenarians. So right now we have 3. Our oldest is 103 years old.
Amazing. Wow.
And still very active and independent. She uses a cane, but hey, that's about it. So, God willing. So we help her with, grocery shopping. We take her to the hair salon, priorities. I understand. We get it. So, just amazing experiences, life stories, really just amazing people that we're helping. And our volunteers, similarly with our volunteers, they have amazing life experience. And so just watching them interact and become friends and become a support system for one another is very rewarding.
I'm sure it's very fulfilling for the volunteer as well. That's really nice, especially for both volunteers and the seniors that don't have local family. So
Exactly.
they become each other's family.
Yeah,
right?
you're absolutely right. So many of our folks never had kids, live alone, don't have family nearby. So the village really kind of becomes their surrogate family support system. So yeah, we're very lucky that we get to offer that.
That's great. And then are you guys a national organization? How does that work?
So we are part of what's called the Village Movement. So the Village Movement is a nationwide movement of villages. So we're all our own independent 501c3. So we're an independent entity, but we're part of the movement.
Got it.
So
okay.
I hope that makes sense. And then there's the Village Movement California. So there's 50 villages in California. We're one of 50. So it's definitely growing and it's catching on. This whole concept is catching on, nationally. So we're very lucky to have a village here in South County.
Yeah. So where does someone go? What's the website for it if they're interested in either volunteering or receiving services?
Yes. Well, we always need volunteers. So our website is scvillage.org. Okay. So, and then our phone number, let's see, that is 949-441-1348. That is answered by a team of volunteers every day. So but there's a ton of information on the website. And then, like I said, you can also call as well.
Well, thank you. Is there anything else you would like to say or share?
We're excited to be celebrating our 10-year anniversary this year. So that's
congratulations.
Yes, we're a young organization still, but we've come so far in these past 10 years, building out our membership. We're serving over 100 seniors right now. Additionally, we have over 75 volunteers and growing. We're growing all the time, which is exciting. So
I'm sure the need is there. It's just a matter of people discovering. So please share this video with anybody who might be in need of services or who might be looking for an opportunity to give back or serve if they're looking for just that fulfilling, rewarding opportunity to help others in need. So
thank you.
Thanks for watching. Make sure you contact them at their website or phone number, and make sure you subscribe for more great local videos about South Orange County.